Welcome back, guys. And everybody nowadays is using Facebook. And if you want to know what activities you have done and when you have done that activity in Facebook, which video you have seen, which shorts you have seen, what you have done, which photo you have liked, each activity is registered in your Facebook account, and you can see. If you are not knowing, then this video is for you. If you are new to the channel and if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the Facebook, and here tap on three horizontal lines, go to the setting and privacy, and then go to the settings, then go below here your activity logs is there, and go below, and here view log section and view activity history. If you go here, every log actions and every activity history will come here. So from here you can see what activity you have done and what actions are logged here in your Facebook account. So this is how you can see. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.